Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a redeem code on the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device. And once you open it up, you can start your journey by tapping on the home screen and you will be taken into your journey where you last left off. Now, if you wish to use a redeem code within your game, just tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon. Now, from this page, go ahead and tap on others and you will now see the redeem code option. Go ahead and click on it and you can now type in your redeem code within the given box. After you type in your code, just tap on the tick mark and the redeem code will be applied to your game right away. And you can now use the rewards from the code within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.